Okay, so we are going to upload another hair bow Valentine. So this is one of my favorites. We're gonna do the curvy bow. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. We're gonna continue. We're gonna upload. We're gonna ungroup this. Now I'm only gonna do the smallest bow. It is my favorite. I'm gonna do it in red. And I want 2 of these. Now I need that strip for this one because it's gonna have to Command C, Command V. It's gonna have to wrap around the little alligator clip. So I love this little bow. It is so cute, so dainty. And we're also gonna do some of the folded bows here. Folded bows. Continue. Upload. Okay, we're going to bring them down here. We're going to ungroup these. Now, first things first, this bow right here, this I have to make sure stays attached. I do not want it separating. Okay, so I want all of my little hearts to be red. We're going to change those to red. So that means that we want our bases to also be red. And these clips to be red. Red. And the folded pieces we will do in pink so that we have some contrast. Okay, let's go ahead and make this. We're going to make this on the mat. Confirm. Now, I am working with a scrap piece here. So I am going to lay my felt out on my mat and see exactly how much space I have to work with here. So I have 2 squares, a little bit over 2 here, up on that side. And I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 going that way. So we're going to try turning this one. I don't know if it's going to fit. No, it's going to be too big to fit there. So we're going to turn it back. We don't want it on an angle though. We want to keep it straight. Whoopsie. There we go. Now, I think if we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just past where we need to be. So I'm going to have to work with a full sheet of felt. There is no using my scrap here. So we're just going to squeeze these on here. I'm going to keep them all in a row, have them as close together as possible. And I'm going to check this one. Now this one is working with almost a full sheet. I will just have to move these little guys here. Actually, it'll be these ones over here. I don't have a full square there. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This needs to go down, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Go there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. This starts a little below, perfect. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We can fit that one down there. Goes 3 across. 1, 2, 3. No, that is not going to fit because I only have 3 across. So when you're working with scrap pieces, it can get a little tricky making sure it all fits. There is a snap to mat option that works really well when you're trying to just fit it into these odd shapes. When I'm using my phone, the snap to mat is easier to access. But on the phone, you have the snap to mat, which makes it super easy. But there's not too much adjusting that has to take place here, so I am just gonna squeeze stuff in based on my count of squares on my piece. And I have, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I can go down pretty far. These little guys you can squeeze in anywhere. Use up that space so you're not wasting any of your material, or as little material as possible. And there, that will work. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm working with felt. I'm going to change my tool to my rotary blade, apply, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this.